AJ is a matrix of order m by n. A is equal to AJ. Then a matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called a transpose of A. That means row should be column, column should be row. So if A transpose of the matrix A is denoted by this way, either A transpose or A raised to T, A form column. In other words, if A is equal to matrix AAJ of order m by n, then A transpose is what? AJI, order of order n by m. Like this, you see, A is equal to matrix 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0, minus 1 by 5. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. If you write a transpose, then A transpose is equal to what? A transpose is equal to 3 root 3, 0. First column should be first row. So, 3 root 3, 0. Then, second row is what? 5, 1, minus 1 by 5. So, this is called transpose of a matrix. Basically, AJ is an m by n matrix, and the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called a transpose of A. So, if A is a matrix, then its transpose is denoted by A transpose. Suppose you see A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Are you able to hear? Hello? So, A transpose is what? 1, 2, 3. Like this. Clear? Hello? Hello? Right. Right. Next one. Transpose of matrix. Now again, suppose you write A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. What is A transpose? Tell me. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. What is again A transpose? The whole transpose. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. So what is it? Same game, huh? So what you can, that is first property. A transpose, the whole transpose is equal to what? A. Is equal to A. Now, K the whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. And the A plus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into, this is an important property, AB the whole transpose is equal to what? B transpose into A transpose. This is an important property, right? Now, A is equal to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. B is equal to 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Verify that A transpose the whole transpose is equal to A. A plus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. KB the whole transpose is equal to K into B transpose. So what we have taken? A is equal to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. What is A transpose? 3 4 root 3 2 2 0. Again, if you take root transpose, you are getting 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. Next, 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. B is equal to 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. What is A plus B? 3 plus 2 5 root 3 plus minus 1 root 3 minus 1 2 plus 2 4 5 4 4. That is A plus B. What is A plus B? The whole transpose. 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. No. A transpose is this, B transpose is this. What is A transpose plus B transpose? 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. So you see, this is A plus B the whole transpose. This is A transpose plus B transpose. So both are equal. A plus B the whole transpose is equal to what? A transpose plus B transpose. Now KB. KB means K into 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. If you multiply K inside 2K minus K 2K K 2K 4K. Now KB the whole transpose is equal to what? 2K K minus K 2K 2K 4K. If you take K outside, K into matrix 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. So what is it? KB transpose. right? So actually this is verification of property. Now A is equal to matrix minus 2, 4, 5, column matrix. B is equal to matrix 1, 3, minus 6. Verify that AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So A is this, B is this. What is AB? Minus 2, 4, 5 into 1, 3, minus 6. If you multiply first row into first column, minus 2. First row into second column, minus 6. First row into third column, 12. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into minus 6, 24. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into minus 6, minus 30. Now, A transpose is this. This is B transpose. What is B transpose into A transpose? This column matrix into row matrix. Again, same they will come. Therefore, what you can, it is verified that AB the whole transpose is equal to what? B transpose into A transpose. Now, symmetric matrix means if transpose of a matrix is same as that, then we will call it as what? Symmetric matrix. And if transpose of the matrix is negative of that, then we will call it as what? Skew symmetric matrix. So these are the diagonal elements. These are the diagonal elements. What are the diagonal elements? Root 3 minus 1.51. These are the, first you fix the main diagonal elements. Then you see above the main diagonal element 2, 3, minus 1. Below the main diagonal elements also 2, 3, minus 1. So what you can say? So a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A. A transpose is equal to minus A. That means you see these are the example of a symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric 0, 0, 0, 0. First you fix the main diagonal elements, then above whatever it is there, its negative will be there below. E, F, G, here minus C, minus F, minus G. So this is called what? Skew symmetric matrix. In the skew symmetric matrix, what you can say? Main diagonal elements are always 0. Main diagonal elements are always